Getting started with the KeyTask International Roaming Box. Firstly, make sure where you want to install the box you have access to your modem and a power supply of at least 150 watts. Secondly, take your package, open it carefully along the top, taking care not to damage the internals. Then remove and dispose of the filling. In your package, you'll receive the box itself, a black power cable, and a red LAN cable. The rear of the box has no stickers. The front of the box has clips so that it can be removed. Make sure when you place your box, you leave at least 40 centimeters in front to allow room to pull out the extendable drawer. On the side of the box, we have both a LAN port and a power cable port. Step 4 is plugging in your LAN cable to the box. Plug one end of the cable into the port on the box and the other into your modem. Plug one end of your power supply cable to the box and the other to your socket. If you have a switch on your IR box, turn it on now. Step 6 is turning on your IR box. For this, we need to check that the components within are running. Firstly, remove both the rear and the front covers. To check if the components are running, you can check for lights on the front of the IPS, here, and in the rear, lights on the phone hub, here. If you don't see lights, it could be that the internal main power switch is off. You can turn that on here. Or secondly, that the circuit breaker underneath here has tripped. If the main switch is activated, press the large orange button to reset the trip switch. If you've accidentally made contact with the yellow switch, simply press the big orange switch again to reactivate. You may have been provided with 3 or 4 phones in your box. To turn them on, hold the power button for 3 seconds. The phones will start. No other actions are necessary, everything is pre-installed for you. Your setup is now complete. To finish, close up your box and confirm to KeyTask via email that your setup is ready. Your box is now part of the KeyTask Global Remote Testing Network.